and welcome back to our channel. Did you know that the average American consumes over 200 pounds of carbohydrates per year, leading to increased rates of obesity, diabetes, and other health issues? With the rise in popularity of low-carb diets like the keto diet, finding suitable grain alternatives has never been more important. Let's explore some delicious and nutritious options to help you stay on track with your health goals. Low-carb diets, such as the ketogenic diet, have been incredibly popular in recent years because of their possible health advantages, which include better blood sugar regulation and weight loss. However, one of the challenges of following a low-carb diet is finding suitable alternatives to grains, which are often high in carbohydrates. In this video, we will explore the importance of finding grain alternatives on a low-carb diet and provide some delicious and nutritious options to help you maintain a healthy lifestyle. However, before succumbing to the fad of eating no carbs, keep in mind that just as a car needs fuel to move, your body needs carbohydrates as fuel. Without this primary source of energy, you run the danger of experiencing low blood pressure, exhaustion, nutrient shortages, and an increased risk of heart attack. Since carbohydrates are an essential component of any diet, switching to low-carb grains will be a wiser move rather than eliminating them entirely. This will guarantee a healthy, balanced diet that you need every day. If you're wondering what the finest low-carb grains are, there's no need to search any further. Are wild rice worth the hype? If so, stop searching now. How about oatmeal, the simple grain? Is quinoa a suitable option in today's diet? In this video, we'll discuss every low-carb grain you should be aware of. Number 1. Broccoli. When it comes to a nutritious low-carb diet, broccoli is the star of the show. If you used to detest broccoli as a child, now is the time to grow to love it. Add it to salads, green juices, veggie sandwiches, omelets, and curries for a flavor boost and less than 7% of carbohydrates. Cook away, as it can be enjoyed both raw and steaming. Number 2. Barley. Unbelievably, barley is one of the most popular grains consumed in the United States. It is a versatile grain with a mild nut flavor and chewy texture that offers a number of health benefits. Barley has a low carb count and a rather high fiber and nutritional content. Snacking is a cunning strategy to pack on extra weight if you want to reach your ideal weight loss target. Adding it to soups and stews will help you feel fuller for longer and reduce your harmful snacking habit. Breakfast salads or oatmeal are always incredibly healthful options. Please share your cooking ideas in the comments area. How do you like to cook barley? Number 3. Oatmeal. Trustworthy oatmeal is a low-carb dish that may be enjoyed by anyone worldwide. An easy, healthful way to start the day is to have oatmeal with nut butter and fresh seasonal fruit, especially if you're managing your weight. The amount of carbohydrates in only 1 cup of cooked steel-cut oatmeal is as low as 32 grams. It goes without saying that oatmeal is one of the healthiest foods on the planet and has several health advantages like enhancing skin tone and reducing cholesterol levels. Number 4. Wild rice. To start with, despite its name, wild rice is not actually rice. It's just referred to as wild rice because, well, it's a blend of 4 distinct types of grass. Although conventional white rice is preferred by cooks, this low-carb grain has become more and more popular on the healthy eating ladder because of its advantages in managing diabetes and heart health. Did you know that cooked wild rice has 40% more protein and 30% fewer calories than brown rice? It also has a higher antioxidant content. The ideal plant-based source of protein is wild rice, especially for vegans, vegetarians, and those trying to reduce weight. Number 5. Millet. Millet is a great option for those searching for gluten-free alternatives in order to manage diabetes. This whole grain contains plenty of antioxidants, protein, minerals, and other elements that have numerous health advantages. It is a great option for anyone trying to manage celiac disease or following a gluten-free diet because it is low in carbohydrates, but remarkably rich in other nutrients. It can also shield the body from damaging oxidative stress and other vital nutrients that aid in wound healing and blood sugar regulation. Did you know that eating millet on a regular basis might reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin? Number 6. Brown rice. When considering substitutes for high carbohydrate grains, consider using brown rice. The best rice to use is brown rice. The first that immediately comes to mind is brown rice, which is simply an unpolished and unrefined form of white rice. Its protective coat ensures that the fiber and other vital nutrients are preserved and do not get lost during processing. Although whole grains like brown rice were excluded from the keto diet, they are still incredibly nutrient-dense and high in fiber. Less than 30 grams of carbohydrates in half a cup of cooked brown rice and roasted vegetables will satisfy your hunger. Number 6. Speaking of the benefits of green veggies, here's kale. Kale is nearby. Behind this crinkly, dark green leafy vegetable are low carbohydrates, high fiber, and packed with various vitamins and antioxidants, making them popular among health-conscious individuals. 7 grams of carbohydrates are included in 1 gram of kale. Number 8. Couscous. A mainstay of Moroccan and Middle Eastern cuisine is couscous. Made from processed grains, couscous. It is created with durum wheat and semolina flour. Less than 35 grams of carbohydrates can be found in 1 cup of cooked bulgur, along with a wealth of other nutrients like iron, magnesium, and B vitamins. With its remarkable selenium concentration and low sugar content, couscous is a popular substitute for rice or pasta and pairs well with meats, vegetables, and sauces if you're trying to strengthen your immune system and heart health. Number 9. Quinoa. Quinoa can be found in many dishes, such as salads, curries, desserts, and energy bars. Since its introduction to the United States, quinoa has deservedly earned its reputation as a superfood. Its appeal has grown, particularly among plant-based protein seekers. Despite its small size, this pseudo-cereal is packed with minerals, such as amino acids, which promote muscle growth. When it comes to carbohydrates, fiber that controls blood sugar levels, and iron that promotes cell function. Less than 40 grams of cooked quinoa make up 1 cup. This is the reason quinoa has become so popular in place of rice. Its nutty flavor complements salads wonderfully. Black bean tacos, lemon chicken, and even toast for breakfast. Number 10. Teff. Teff meals are being introduced worldwide practically every day. Teff has additionally increased appeal as an alternative low-carb food that comes from Ethiopia. Before we move forward, are you getting your daily requirement of carbohydrates? Check out these surprising low-carb foods that you're not eating now. Teff is a tropical grain crop that is naturally gluten-free. It is easily ground into flour for making anything that needs flour. This grain is known for being rich in various nutrients, and its dietary fiber is much higher than any other grain. This ensures that your heart is healthy, blood pressure is managed, and that gut health is maintained. Bulgur is a versatile whole grain that is simple to prepare and is rich in fiber. It is mostly used in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cuisine and is made from broken wheat grains from several species. By maintaining intestinal health, it lowers blood sugar, enhances heart health, and encourages weight loss. Even though 1 cup of cooked bulgur adds less than 35 grams of carbohydrates to any meal, it will make you feel satisfied. Peppers on the bell peppers. Bell peppers' health benefits are still not well acknowledged, so bell peppers add a burst of flavor, brilliant hues, and a host of health advantages to every recipe. Rich in fiber, vitamin C, antioxidants, and bell peppers ought to be a staple in your diet. Less than 10 grams of carbs and a wealth of nutrients are contained in every 100 grams of bell pepper. In conclusion, incorporating suitable grain alternatives into a low-carb diet, such as the keto diet, is essential for achieving and maintaining optimal health. By making thoughtful choices and exploring new options, you can enjoy a diverse and satisfying diet while reaping the benefits of reduced carbohydrate consumption. Remember, balance is key, and finding the right balance of nutrients and flavors will help you stay on track with your health goals. Here's to delicious, nutritious, and low-carb friendly meals ahead. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your favorite low carbs and keto diet that works for you in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more health and wellness content. See you in the next video.